the NEFF American Star fridge freezer. Overall in very good condition. Nothing to the sides. Yeah, nothing to this side. It has got the light scratches in the middle, at the top centre. And also, very hard to tell, but the corner's just slightly bent in. Not visible from the front. Slightly bent in there. Pressure mark when it's been moved. Yeah, water and ice dispenser sealed there. Let's have a look. Freezer compartment, all sealed as it comes from the factory. Perfect. And the fridge compartment. Everything in there. We've got the manual and the warranty card, all sealed. We've also got the water filter and the hose for the plumbing kit. Yeah, all sealed and perfect.